mai koutou, ko Jacob here. He is Jacob.
And my Watara Winton School, ko Olivia here. She is Olivia.
Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for ramere the 16th of June.
Okay, let's get to kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Panui, which is te reo for reading.
What is your favourite book to read at Panui?
This one is.
On to health and safety.
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please remember to wear them.
Reminder to keep off the really muddy patches of grass at playtimes. It can be very messy if it's brought back into the classroom on your shoes.
Here are today's notices.
Remember, the library is still open at lunchtime. Has anyone filled out their pizza will yet?
Can all librarians meet Mrs Gilliland in the library at morning tea time?
Pals meeting in the library at morning tea.
Year 7 to 8 basketball practice is on the course with Mr T.
Senior chess is on today. I wonder who would win today.
A big good luck to everyone who is running today at Central. Good luck, guys. Run, Forrest, run!
Now, if you missed any notices you can play the news again or read all the notices in the textbooks below.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite e popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā, and stay sharp, Winton School.